Hello, little adventurers. Welcome to Evie Wild Tales. I'm Evie, and I'm excited to explore with you today. We're going on a fun guessing adventure filled with amazing animal clues. Some friends live in forests, some swim in the deep sea, and others flutter through colorful gardens. Listen closely, think carefully, and see if you can guess each animal before the answer is revealed. Let's begin our exciting journey and discover wonderful wildlife together.
Do you recognize this animal?
Awesome! It is a meerkat. This small animal lives in dry grasslands and deserts. Meerkats stand tall on their back legs to watch for bigger animals and help their family stay safe. They look for insects and small foods while working together in groups.
Do you recognize this animal?
Exactly. It is a red deer. This graceful animal walks and runs through forests and grassy fields. It eats grass, leaves, and plants. Male red deer grow large antlers that fall off and grow back each year. Some red deer need protection.
Do you recognize this animal?
You got it. It is a chameleon. This colorful reptile climbs slowly through trees with special feet and a curly tail. It can change its colors to blend into its surroundings and stay safe. Its long, sticky tongue catches food very quickly.
Do you recognize this animal?
Great job! It is a turkey. This large bird walks on the ground and can fly short distances. Turkeys eat seeds, fruits, and insects. The male spreads its beautiful tail feathers to look bigger and brighter during the daytime.
Do you recognize this animal?
Correct. It is a caterpillar. This tiny creature crawls along leaves using many little legs. It enjoys eating fresh leaves as it grows. One day it forms a chrysalis before changing into a beautiful butterfly with colorful wings.
Do you recognize this animal?
Perfect. It is a wolf. Wolves live in forests, mountains, and snowy lands. They work together in family packs and communicate by howling. They run fast while looking for food and carefully care for their playful young pups.
Do you recognize this animal?
Wonderful! It is a panda. This black and white bear lives in bamboo forests and spends much of the day eating bamboo. Pandas are gentle climbers and strong walkers. This lovable animal needs protection to help it thrive in nature.
Do you recognize this animal?
Nice work! It is a butterfly fish. This bright fish swims around warm coral reefs. Its colorful patterns help it blend among the coral. Butterfly fish eat tiny sea animals and plants while helping keep reef habitats healthy and balanced.
Do you recognize this animal?
Brilliant! It is a squid. This ocean animal swims by pushing water through its body. It has 8 arms and 2 longer feeding tentacles. Squid can release a cloud of ink to stay safe and quickly swim away.
Do you recognize this animal?
Excellent! It is a leopard. This spotted cat lives in forests and grasslands. It climbs trees with ease and moves very quietly while looking for food. Its beautiful spotted coat helps it hide among leaves. Some leopards need protection.
Do you recognize this animal?
Bingo! It is a great white shark. This large shark swims powerfully through the ocean using its strong tail. It has rows of sharp teeth and excellent senses. Baby sharks are born alive and begin swimming right away.
Do you recognize this animal?
You guessed it. It is a cicada. This interesting insect is famous for its loud summer song. Young cicadas spend years underground before climbing into trees. Adults have clear wings and sing to communicate during warm sunny days.
Do you recognize this animal?
Amazing! It is a ladybug. This tiny beetle has a round body with colorful spots. Ladybugs fly from plant to plant and enjoy eating tiny insects. They help gardens stay healthy and can fold their wings neatly under hard wing covers.
Do you recognize this animal?
Well done! It is a horseshoe crab. This amazing sea animal has a hard shell and has existed for a very long time. It walks along sandy shores and shallow waters. Horseshoe crabs lay eggs, and many birds enjoy eating them.
Do you recognize this animal?
Rewrite. It is a butterfly. This graceful insect flies with colorful wings from flower to flower. Butterflies sip sweet nectar and help move pollen between plants. They are active during the day and begin life as tiny eggs.
Do you recognize this animal?
Smart answer. It is a hammerhead shark. This shark has a wide head shaped like a hammer that helps it sense the world around it. It swims through warm oceans and looks for fish. Some hammerhead sharks need protection. What an incredible animal adventure we enjoyed together! We discovered creatures that crawl, hop, swim, fly, and race across many different habitats. Every animal has special features that make our world exciting and unique. Keep learning and exploring with me on Evie Wild Tales. Please like and subscribe so you and Appos miss our next adventure. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and I and Appos wait to see you again soon.